Cleanliness is more than just a surface matter. It's about creating a space where your team can thrive, where your ideas come to life, where your goals are achieved. At Millennium Facility Services, we don't simply clean your space. We're passionate about your success. Our associates serve as an extension of your team, embracing challenges with integrity and professionalism to provide you with the comfort and second-mile service you need to do your best work. That means we're constantly innovating. For us, technology is a tool that enhances our ability to care for every client, allowing us to provide the best value and personalized solutions for every environment. Whether we're mapping the most efficient route through your facility to maximize value or measuring the microbial level of individual surfaces to maximize health, your space and your peace of mind is our commitment. But it's not just about being advanced. It's about being there for you. We know that your needs may not be the same as everyone else's. If you're in HR, we know that your employees come first. If you're in operations, we understand you care about your clients. This is why we work diligently to build relationships that go beyond a service. Because we truly believe it's not about what we can do, it's about what we can do together.